As you can see, iba ang korte niya because this is a very different variety. Hello mga Catholics, eto na naman ako sa aking everyday activities. Ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang aking vegetable garden dito sa likod ng bahay, where I do most of them in containers. Pero itong patola na pipitasin ko this morning ay lang siya sa sa plant box. Ayan, I have two plants here. Dalawa yung tinanim ko. Galing sila sa packets na binili ko sa grocery. So this is ito in close up. Ito yung bunga ng patola na pipitasin ko. Ayan. So ito yung aking vegetable garden. May kalamansi, may talong, may pechay, may radish, may bell pepper. So pipitasin ko na. Kailangan gumamit ng hagdan kasi nasa trellis tong patola. So I'm going to cut it now. Okay. As you can see, iba ang korte niya because this is a very different variety. Medyo mura pa kasi iyaano namin for breakfast. Igigisa ni Jonah for breakfast. So pinitas na namin. Pero it grows, yung ganito, it grows bigger pa. Parang kasing laki siya ng upo. So that's all for now. We're having breakfast later. Good morning, Catholics.